Hey floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this 3-part video series I want to talk about how to make bad reviews good reviews for your business and 5 reasons why bad reviews are not necessarily bad for your business after all. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I'm the owner of a company called AGB or Ads Grow Business. We specialize in one industry only, the floor cleaning industry. Whether you're a carpet cleaner, a tile cleaner, a hardwood floor cleaner, a marble floor cleaner, so on and so forth. We work with you guys and we specialize in one thing only, getting floor cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing system. And I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning businesses as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in to this 3-part series. How to make bad reviews good for your business and 5 reasons they're not actually that bad. So let's dive right in. So you put your heart and soul into making your floor cleaning business, your carpet cleaning, your tile cleaning business the best that it can be. You're really proud of the services you offer and your techs and making the magic happen for your customers, getting rid of those stains out of the carpet, making them look like new again, refreshing the bathroom tiles and so on. But at some point you will encounter someone who's unhappy with their experience with your business and they'll post that dreaded bad review online. And let me tell you this happens to all businesses. It doesn't matter who you are, what you are, how good you are. If you go on TripAdvisor and look at the best top 5-star hotel that's got 5,000 5-star reviews that everybody loves, I absolutely guarantee you in amongst all of that there will be that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people that have posted a negative review, because the reality of the situation is you're just never going to keep everybody happy, and sometimes things happen that are completely beyond your control that lead to someone having a poor experience possibly, which then leads to getting a bad review. Your gut instinct obviously when that happens is to panic, but a bad review, it isn't the end of the world, and it can even be a good thing, trust me. In fact, if you're smart about it, you can turn a bad review into a good opportunity. So we're answering all your questions about bad reviews, including what is a bad review? Is it normal to get bad reviews? Can you learn from bad reviews? Should you reply to bad reviews? Use this information and my tips to learn how to deal with bad reviews and keep your reputation of your floor cleaning business in good standing. The truth about bad reviews. So bad reviews are typically between 1 to 3 stars or reviews with negative sentiment about your floor cleaning business. While it never feels good to get a bad review about your business, the truth is that it's completely normal for even the best businesses to get bad reviews, as I just pointed out. For example, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, most big companies, they do have some scathing online reviews. It's natural. This is business. And bad reviews are also more common than good reviews because people are more likely to post a bad review for a business after a bad experience than they are after having a good experience, right? You normally make a review because you're not happy about something. Whereas if you're happy and satisfied with something, you just normally go about your life and don't necessarily feel the need to leave a review because you've got what you expected. So here are some reasons why people leave bad reviews. 73% want to save others from having the same negative experience. Nearly 50% want the company to be more upfront about fees or policies. 48% of people that leave bad reviews want a refund. Nearly 40% want the company to change its policy, and nearly 40% want an apology. Why bad reviews aren't necessarily bad? You might be surprised to know that bad reviews aren't actually all bad for your business. Yes, bad reviews aren't all good for your business either, but they're also completely normal and part of being a business owner and something that can positively impact your business in a couple of different ways. People look for bad reviews reviews, but not for the reason you think. One report found that 82% of people specifically look for bad reviews, but not because they wanted to focus on the negative. Consumers see the balance of bad reviews as suspicious and don't fully trust every positive review they read. A bad review will give them a better look at the full picture of what to expect from your floor cleaning business. So if you only had, 1,000 5-star reviews, understandably people might think, this is a bit suspect, right? Maybe it's a scam, right? Maybe they paid people to write all these reviews. I thought that myself. So the fact that you might have like a couple of 3-star or a couple of negative reviews in there actually makes you look like a legit and normal company. And quite often, when people read those negative reviews, like, people are intelligent, people are like switched on, and when they read the backstory of like why of the experience that this person had, hopefully they'll be switched on enough to realize that maybe that was like a one-off thing, or maybe something that was out of the floor cleaners, there was something that was out of their hands, that it was just one of those anomalies that just happened that led to that person having a bad experience. And sometimes, like, you get some people that are just like really highly strung that just simply can't be pleased no matter what you do, and that will come across in their writing. If people think that they're being pedantic, or like, okay, like, well, it's not really the floor cleaner's responsibility, it's not their fault that your carpet's like 50 years old and they couldn't make it look like new, right? Do you know what I mean? So, when people read it, they hopefully read it in context, especially, and we'll get to this later in the video, if you've left a reply and actually like given like the full picture, people will be like, oh, right, that's why it went wrong, makes sense. And so, yeah, actually having a bad review isn't necessarily a bad thing. It can actually make you look more legit. I did have an actual screenshot in here of a bad review, of a 3-star review. For whatever reason, it's not in the slide deck, but it doesn't matter. Let's just dive right in. There's a restaurant, it's got an average of 4.4 rating. It's a 3-star review. The reviewer mentions that they love most of the food, but the main complaint is that the margarita is too small. If I'm visiting this restaurant for the first time, I know not to expect a massive margarita with my meal, but that most of the food should be good. Of course, you still want the majority of your reviews to be positive, but having a few bad reviews can surprisingly help your business seem more credible. So that leads into kind of like what I was just saying. Maybe you don't want a massive margarita with your dinner. Maybe you don't even like margaritas. Maybe you're driving and you don't even drink. So as long as the food is awesome, the fact that this person left a 3-star review because they didn't like the margarita, it does not necessarily mean that this is a bad restaurant and that you shouldn't visit. And in fact, as I just pointed out, it makes you look more legit. So bad reviews are not necessarily bad for your business. So I really, really hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below and tune in to the next part of this series. If you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis, head down to the description below where you'll find a link to our website where you can find out more information and schedule a call. See you on the next one, guys. Peace.